Hey guys, happy Sunday. Welcome to the Hustler Show. My name is Reginald Chan. Now I'm taking this video outside my house. So bear with me if it's a bit noisy. You can see I'm using a mic here. So I hope the sound is much better now. Today's video is very simple. It's all about how do you actually find and replace a text or URL in your WordPress database. Now it gets complicated because most of the time we actually need to use coding. Okay, I mean, I hate touching my WordPress database. I'm sure you do too. Because why? When you mess it up, your website goes poof. Alright, and it gets annoying. I spoke to my web host and they couldn't help me much about it. So the whole story happens was because yesterday I moved from a managed WordPress hosting to Cloudways. Now Cloudways is awesome. I'm not promoting them, but I'm just saying they are great. Alright, they are really good now, and it's way cheaper. Alright, so what makes that different? Okay, the whole issue started simply because there are certain links on my blog, which is literally half of my whole blog when error 504, okay, which is not nobody able to access it because the links are all broken, and I need to fix it fast for SEO basis and of course for my affiliate sales. Now I was searching around, I was speaking to the guys in Cloudways, and Cloudways says that why don't you search for a WordPress plugin that can actually solve this issue. Then I was like, aha, that is the thing. So I went to find it, and I found a good plugin which is free, which is called Search and Replace plugin, which is really good. Now I'm going to show you the exact steps. Alright, the exact steps it takes for you to change URL, text, anything, okay, without actually going in and messing around with your WordPress database. Now the whole step-by-step article is very simple. It's about 600 words, with all the images and things, with all the fun stuff. Alright, the details is in the link. Okay, so take a look at the link. Yeah, I hope you really enjoy this, and this is just about dropping a value bomb. Okay, I just want to help people because if I myself, which is pretty much a tech geek guy, is having issue in my WordPress database, I'm sure some of you, especially those who are watching this video, will actually encounter this whole issue. Alright, so I hope you enjoy this. Now if you really like it, please leave a comment, thumbs up, share with your friends. I mean, who knows? Alright, the plugin is free for use, why not? Okay then, until then, enjoy the Sunday. Okay, have some great time with your family, with your loved ones, and more importantly, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, The Hustler Show. My name is Reginald Chan. See you soon. Bye.